Welcome to CodeGPT, our project for hacks for hackers. Our project can generate line-by-line pseudocode according to a submitted Git repo link or a code snippet. The pseudocode provides an easy-to-understand explanation for the code and is in line with the code that it corresponds to. It also has syntax highlighting, making it a lot easier to read. We'll demonstrate that we can log out and all our information is stored. We store it on MongoDB Atlas, so we have all the code stored and all the users stored as well. It's very simple to create an account and the application is easy to use. So signing back into our account that we had before, we see that all our previous repositories are again loaded and you can view them and the syntax highlighting everything is still there. Now copy the GitHub repo URL and paste it into CodeGPT. Once the GitHub link has been submitted, we make an API call that retrieves all files within the repository and downloads them.
So once all the files have been downloaded, the repository will automatically be added to the user's search history and you will be able to see all the files in it. So now you can pick any file that you want a summary for and you can simply click on the drop-down toggle to generate the code and the pseudocode. So the pseudocode was done using the fine-tuned CodeT5 model and we are still refining it so that it's optimized, but as you can see it nicely renders the side-by-side comparison of the code and the explanation. You can also easily delete a repo from your search history by clicking the X, and this will also delete it from MongoDB. And we're back to the home screen. Our app can also quickly switch between light and dark mode. Besides searching GitHub, you can paste a code snippet in our app to quickly understand its purpose. So this also creates a short one-line summary at the top which tells you what the chunk of code does. And now we can remove that and we're back to the home screen. Thanks for listening.